Today's lesson AV view controller to play our URL video. So let's start. First of all, import. Import the AV kit and create and access AV player view controller. This AV player view controller to create variable AV player view controller and AV player AV player dot player. So create a player variable. So let player AV player and adding server URL. So this is create URL. So guardlet, this is optional type of URL. So URL string, I already copy this free URL. This is URL string type and just copy and paste here. And player. So present our view, present AV player controller, this variable, and boolean is animated true present type, and completion handler is open. So after presenting our controller, then the player will start to play our video. So this is play. This is a error, but runtime remove this error. Run our successfully project. Run. And this is present and loading our video and play. This load. So currently network issue some. This is a play video. To access volume, mute, and this is a full screen. This is a control, all type of control to changing video. This is loading some. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.